Okay.
Okay. I need everyone to sit up like a good first grader, nice tall.
I don't want you to have me looking.
Scoot back. Gracie, can you scoot over this way? All right, what did we learn about last in science? Who can tell me what we learned about in science? I love seeing a few hands. Anybody else? Rather, we're not playing. Jenna.
We've been riding.
Jacob, go put that on your back of your desk. We're not playing with things. In science. That's in writing. What about science, Joseph?
We tested out the plastic cars.
Yes, we've been learning about force and motion. We've been using cars and magnets and all things like that. We'll learn about more of that later on in the year, but right now, we're going to start learning about Earth and the moon and sun.
I know what you mean by that.
So we get to learn about all kinds of new things. Do you remember when we started with force and motion, with push and pull? Do you remember that chart we did over here with the sticky notes? Well, we are going to make another one. So before we start learning, last warning before you click down. I told you. Before we start learning about the Earth and the sun and the moon, I want to see what you guys already know about. I want to see how much you know, so I know what to teach. And that's called our schema. But what is schema? Schema. Very good. So I want to see what you've learned. So what is something you know about the Earth, sun, and moon? Raise that hand. Lizzie.
Earth is what we live on.
Good. We live on the Earth. Very good. I'm going to right here. Keep thinking. We live on Earth. Very good. Let's see if there's a couple more things. Henry, something you know about the Earth, sun, or the moon?
I know. The moon is like a night light.
So the moon comes out when?
At night.
Okay, so the moon comes out at night.
I know a great one. The girl went on the moon.
All right, keep thinking. The Earth, the moon, and the sun.
Later this year, there could be one.
All right, bottoms. Caitlin.
The sun is bright.
The sun is bright. Is the sun little or is the sun really big?
Big.
Good. So the sun. Beard, are we listening? The sun is big and bright. All right, one more thing about the Earth, the moon, and the sun. Kendall.
The sun is in the middle of the sky. The galaxy.
This galaxy. Well, we're learning more about that. Let's see. Bradley and Jacob, this is your last one. Why do we keep talking? Action.
Ready?
So the Earth spins or moves?
It's called an orbit.
Take this.
Let's see.
You can write the Earth is an orbit.
Hold on, guys.
Oh.
All right. So when the guys, listen. When the Earth moves, what shape do you think it moves in? Yeah, the Earth moves. Sit down.
We're probably upside down.
All right. So as up here in 5, 4,
The sun
3,
is the hottest
2,
planet in the world.
1. Good. So these are just a few things we already know, and we're going to learn more about this as we go.
The hottest planet.
So now,
That's sun.
I'm gonna wait because I think I hear my friends flirting out playing, which makes me upset. Alright, now we are going to do Brain Pop Earth. Brain Pop. That's where we watch a video and I choose you to come up and click on the active board. So, I want to see who can go back to their seats like a little quiet planet for a start. Quiet! Shh. I'll be watching my little planets. We're about to start Brain Pop.
I want to do
You can be quiet, Turkey.
Mystique, I'm a quiet spirit. Guess what I am? Mystique, guess what I am?
Go.
Guess what I am?
You're not being quiet. Very good, guys. Very good. Let me get Brain Pop pulled up. I'm waiting on my friends. I think I hear them talking. The longer we take on getting quiet down, the less time we have to answer questions and to watch the video. You ready? Make sure we listen very carefully to the video because remember we have questions with the answer. Okay? Thumbs up if you're ready. Now hands in lap.
Where are we going, Moby? I don't think our shuttle will make it to space. It's okay, Moby. We can still learn about Earth without visiting outer space. Where is the Earth exactly? Our solar system is made up of the sun and all the planets, moons, and other bodies that go around it. Earth is the third planet from the sun. Right, Moby. Earth gets light and heat from the sun. The Earth rotates a full turn every 24 hours. That's one day. It takes about 365 days for Earth to orbit or go around the sun. That's 1 year. Earth has one moon, and it takes the moon about 1 month to orbit the Earth. So the moon orbits the Earth, and the Earth orbits the sun. Hey! Ew, don't you know what Earth is made of? The Earth has 3 main layers: the core, the mantle, and the crust. The core is mostly made of metal. It's packed solid at the center, and it's liquid on the outside. Right, it's really hot. The middle layer of the Earth is the rocky mantle. It's the largest layer. The top layer is the crust. It's the thinnest layer and makes up the land we live on. The Earth also has gases around it, called the atmosphere. The atmosphere has the air we breathe. Much of the Earth is covered with water, like rivers, lakes, and especially oceans. In fact, we call it the blue planet because there's so much water. Water helps make life on Earth possible. What is life on Earth like? There are many different environments on Earth. Well, this is a tropical forest.
Do we live this
But there
environment?
are also deserts, mountains, prairies, and many underwater environments. Over 8 million different kinds of plants and animals live on Earth. different people live here too. There are over 7 billion people who live on Earth, and the population keeps growing. I guess since Earth is home to so many living things, it's important we take care of it. Well, we can protect the Earth by recycling things. And we can save energy by turning things off. We can also reduce pollution by riding our bikes instead of taking our car. Earth is our home, so we've got to take care of it. Do you think we can look at other planets now? Whoa, I meant with a telescope.
All right. All right, so I want everyone to stand up real quick. Can you leave your pencils down? Everyone to stand up. I want you to show me, from what we just learned in the video, by staying at your desk, how does the Earth move? Does it jump up and down? How does it move? Show me. It spins, it rotates in circles. All right, go back to your desk and sit down. Woo, dizzy. We'll learn more about this later this week. All right, are we ready for the quiz? I want to see who listened.
I want to do the hardest quiz ever.
Let's start with the easy quiz. We have to warm up our brains, don't we?
No. Yes, we do. No. Yes. No.
All right. Ready?
Misty, I have a question. Why did he sharpen his
I don't know. He's getting ready for the quiz. Are we ready, guys? Boys and girls? No one should write anything down. Is this your homework? Ready? Listen.
What orbits the Earth?
Who can tell me what orbit means? I talked about it a little bit. Emma, do you know?
Orbit means like quiz around in circles and you go around like a planet.
How does it go around it? So if I were to orbit this room, it means I would go spin around the room. So what orbits the Earth?
The sun, the moon, the mantle, the core.
Let's see. Jenna. So what goes around the Earth? The moon. Very good. All right, ready? Oh! I didn't mean to do that. Click on something. Let's go back. Hold on.
You already gave us the right answer.
I didn't even read what it was.
Misty, you already gave us the right answer.
Hold on.
But you didn't without you reading it. Good job, Claire. She's a teacher. She can read anything that's in that. No.
All right, ready? Listen.
You just did it.
Shh. It was the first question we already did. Ready? Listen.
Which activity helps take care of the Earth? Playing soccer instead of football. Riding your bike instead of taking a car. Flying a kite instead of building a sandcastle. Painting a picture instead of writing a story.
So which one helps take care of our planet? On this table, Garrett. Very good. Riding your bike instead of taking your car. Ready?
Yes.
Here's a tricky one. Let's see if we can trick you.
How long does it take the Earth to orbit the sun?
So how long does it take the Earth, which we are on, to go around the sun one time?
1 hour. 1 day. 1 year. 1 season.
Let's see. Bryce. Oh, wow. Let's see. Not wait. What was the answer?
1 year.
1 year. Very good.
Why is the Earth called the blue planet. The Earth's core is blue. Everything on the Earth is blue. The Earth is covered mostly by water. The sky is blue.
So why are we called the blue planet? Kendall, that needs to be away. Gannon. Is it because the core of the inside of our Earth is blue? Everything on Earth is blue? Everything you can see is blue? Or is it because the Earth is covered mostly by water? Or is it because the sky is blue? The sky is blue. Let's see. Let's show them. Let's show them what the answers are.
The Earth's core is blue.
So is the inside of our Earth blue?
Everything on the Earth is blue.
So everything on the Earth is blue?
No.
I hope I'm not blue.
The Earth is covered mostly by water.
Good. And listen. Here.
The Earth's population is over 6 billion people. What is a population?
So what does population mean?
Ways to protect the Earth. The layers of the Earth.
Here, why have I never seen
The temperature outside. The number of people who live in an area.
See, I'm gonna pick a girl, Emma. The number of people is the population. Very good. All right, let's do the hard one. All right, go back to your seat.
Heart.
All right, ready? Let's see what can trick us.
Which sentence is true?
So 3 of these are wrong, and 1 of these is right. It's looking for which one is true or correct or right. Which one's right?
The Earth is the closest planet to the Sun. It takes 1 year for the Moon to orbit the Earth. The Sun goes around the Earth. The Moon orbits the Earth, and the Earth orbits the Sun.
Let's see, Graceland. Let's see if we can trick her. Good, because the Moon goes around the Earth, and the Earth goes around the Sun.
How can you help save the Earth's resources? Keep your allowance in a piggy bank to save money. Run slowly to save your energy. Remember to turn lights off to save electricity. Shop with a grocery list to save time.
So which one helps the Earth the most? Joseph in the back. Good. Remember to turn your lights off to save electricity.
Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. What do you think its environment is like?
So this is the Sun. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. So what do you think it's like there?
Very cold. Very hot. Covered by water. Covered by ice.
Let's see. Lizzie. Very hot because the Sun is
The mantle.
hot.
Which layer of Earth do we live on? The core.
Which one is it like? Is it Mercury this?
Yes, Mercury's the closest to the Sun, so it's the
He
hottest.
said Mercury is the, when he said it, he said Mercury is the closest to the Earth.
Oh, I meant Sun. I'm sorry. Go sit down. So what layer of Earth do we live on?
The core. The mantle. The crust. The moon.
Jacob.
The moon.
inside? Do we live on the inside of the earth? The very inside, so there's rocks around us and on top of us? Okay, what about the crust? You know the crust of pizza is like the outside of the pizza? So do we live on the outside of the earth?
Yes.
Good, the crust. Think of the crust as like if you're outside of the pizza. We live on the outside of the earth because we don't live in the ground.
Yeah, that would be gross. Yeah, we'll get
A
older.
geologist is a scientist who studies the Earth's layers, rocks, and minerals. What might a geologist study?
So geologist studies stuff on the earth, things on the earth, like the rocks and minerals and layers. So which of these may a geologist study?
Insects, clouds, monkeys, volcanoes.
So which one of those you think, Caitlin? See, all eyes should be on Caitlin. So which one of those is closest to the earth and rocks and minerals? Is it insects, clouds, monkeys, or volcanoes? Not quite. Think of like the earth, things that are on the earth, like rocks, of course, and dirt. Boys and girls, all eyes should be up here. Thank you. So think of the ground. Which one of those is more like the ground or like the earth? Insects, monkeys, or volcanoes? Very good.
No, money.
All right. I want to see, since it is November and Brenda gave me the idea, who can go back to the carpet like a turkey? Silent turkey. Quiet turkey. Rice. I don't think I said loud turkey. So Madison, why are you in my chair? I believe I said quiet turkey. All right, right there. Bradley, why are your eyes on somebody else?
Can I see my basket?
I'm going to count to 10. When I hit 10, everyone should have their hands to themselves and eyes on me. 1, 2, oh, you know you don't have to sit that close. Go sit. Nope, everyone should be on the floor.
I want to sit on my seat.
I didn't tell you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
No, please.
Okay, just like the other chart, we're going to be adding our new learning to the chart. So what is something new that we have learned today to add on the chart? Kendall. What's something you have learned about the earth, the moon, or the sun?
I just forgot right now.
Jenna.
The sun's bright.
We kind of knew that, because if you look at the sun, it would hurt your eyes. So we knew that. So what's something we learned from Brain Pop or from talking? Brendan.
There's crust on the earth, and the earth makes orbit around the sun.
Let's talk about the first ones first, or the first thing you said first. So there's crust on the earth. Crust is a layer of the earth, right? So the crust is a layer of the earth. Is that the outer layer of the earth or the inner layer of the earth?
Out,
Brendan?
out.
Out, just like the crust of a pizza. So the Earth's outer layer is called
Crust.
the
And then crust.
crust. Good, Brandon. Here you go. Go put it up. Right here. Oh, let's see. Dana and Jacob. our new learning. Madison. You don't remember. What's something you learned from today? Emma.
I learned that, I didn't know.
All right, let's see. Hold on a second. I believe I called Emma's name. Is that right?
Yeah.
So I should only hear Emma. I need all eyes on me. All right, what did you learn today, Emma?
I learned that, I didn't know you had the, quarter, I didn't know you had the, inside of the earth and the, almost the outside and that part.
So there are many layers of the earth. Keep thinking, guys. Garrett, don't touch your chair. All right, Henry.
The moon comes out at night. It's like a...
We already knew that, right? We already knew that. Joseph.
The sun is really big.
We've already known that. See up here?
Oh.
The sun is big and bright. On your bottom. Lizzie and Lucas. You know better. Graceland.
That the moon orbits
Good. The moon orbits what?
the earth. And it takes a month. I just remember
The moon orbits the earth. I put each month. Everyone should be on their bottoms. On their bottoms.